How to download WeChat app. If any day you would like to be a WeChat app user by just downloading WeChat app on your mobile device, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Play Store out there. After you find the very Play Store application, you have to tap on that. After you tap on the Play Store application, Play Store will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search WeChat out there. After you search WeChat out there, you can find the very option of the WeChat. Now, since I've already downloaded and installed the WeChat on my very mobile device, I do not need to do that. I can just go to the option of update. But if you have not downloaded WeChat application on your mobile device, you can find the very option of download there or install there on your very mobile device. And by tapping on that, you have to download and install the WeChat application on your mobile device. And sometimes you can see that sometimes there may be just less space on your very mobile device, and you can see an interface like this that you have to free up the space on your mobile device. Therefore, you can tap on any of the options like this and then free up the space on your mobile device in order to have some space there, and in order to download the very device or in order to download any application out there. So you can just free up the space, go to continue, and then download or install the very application that you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.